The next topic is polishing, and this is the last sort of subtopic we'll cover. We do have customers that are increasingly interested in polished finishes. It is not something that is inexpensive. We were looking at costs of that just recently, and it is quite pricey because this is fairly labor intensive to do. What it involves is actually going through all the steps that I just walked through, but then actually, using a polishing machine to remove some of that top surface to get more of a very smooth finish. And there are different ways to do it. I'm not going to get into those details in terms of the different types of polish finishes and the pros and cons of it. All I'm going to say is that you can polish helix reinforced concrete. If you do much more than a cream, what they call a cream finish, you will expose some helix. Some people like that. It has kind of an architectural appeal to it, but it will expose some of the helix in that process. And we do have recommended best practices for you if you want to pursue a polished finish. Please reach out to us. Also, this is one of those that you definitely want to do a trial area before you get into a large project, just to make sure you're getting the outcome that you're looking for. This is kind of what that process looks like. And you can see it is typically a wet process. There is a dry process, but typically what you're doing is you're starting with a relatively coarse grit media, and then you're going down to a finer media, just like you would with polishing metal, for example.